Good morning, my friend. This is Shifu JJ from last week's Martin Kung Fu channel. I can't wait to present you the lesson 5 Tiger Kung Fu style. If you watched my lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, so you know so we're teaching the tutorial of the tiger movement and we put them together as a whole form. So today our mission is just put them together with good technique, good speed, good power to achieve the whole form of the Tiger Kung Fu style. Follow me now. So this is not for today lesson, but this is the future you, the full body workout and which the Tiger Kung Fu style to achieve your Tiger Kung Fu very simple. Let's go. 10 times. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, great. So let's work on some steps of the Tiger Kung Fu style. First move, you got to work on step and twist. Your waist go this way and step and twist and step and twist and perfect. And now you go step back. 1 and 2 and 3 and go down and again. You go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 go back, 6 go back and go down. Perfect. Do again. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and stand up. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and stand up. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Great work. Very, very, very nice. To jump left to right 10 times. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. The next one. Go 1, you step and 2, you step straight. First step, make a this flat. Bounce, both knees go outside and your toe are straight. So let's go again. So go 1 and left, 2 and straight. Okay, perfect. Let's do again. So go right and left and down. And perfect. So low speed. 1 and 2, straight. Perfect. Let's go 1, 2, straight. And again. Go 1 and 2, straight. Now we put a hand right there. Okay. So go 1 and 2, your right hand straight, go up, turn this way, 4 and push, perfect. Let's do again. Go 1 and 2 and straight, 4, perfect. 3 more. 1 and 2 and 3 and power. Okay, 2 more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, great. One last one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Great work. So your left hand should go boom. Up, top, go up. So you go above your shoulder and you press down with your breath. You go and go 1, 2 and inhale and exhale. Go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, perfect. So let's continue. Jump 6 times. So arm up and go down by your knee and jump like a rock and turn back and do the same. 1, 2, jump. Okay, perfect. 4 more. Go. Go. 2 more. And 1 more. Yeah. 1. Sorry, my friend, my camera was falling. So now let's continue to work on the next one. The basics very fun and little challenge. You can do it. Right. Down. Right. Once you got to step and you put your hand and come back. Go put your hand and come back and put your hand. So left is the palm and right is a fist. And that's it. So go 1 and come back. 1 and great. Add on. So go 1 and go kick. And both hands just move to this side. Go 1 and 2 and down. Go 1 and 2 and down. Great. 1 and 2 and down. Little power. 1 and 2 and down. Perfect. 1 and 2. Perfect. Okay. Let's add on. You can do this, right? Very, very nice. Okay. Go 1 and 2 and switch. Okay, perfect. Go 1 and 2 and switch like good. Go 1 and 2 and switch. Go 1 and 2 and touch. You see your left hand go up and you touch the back of your shoes, right? That's great. Go 1 and 2 and 3. Perfect. Go 1 and 2 and 3. Great work. Go 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. You got it so quick and it looks hard and easy to do. You can do this, right? So let's do the next move, her needle kick with that. Let's go. Right. 1 and 2 and sway. And after that, you want to go jump, pull to the other side. All you need to do is just switch your feet. Right, get it. 1 and 2 and sway and 4. Get it. Right. Go 1 and 2 and sway. And you can jump one leg and jump this way. Boom. That's it. 2 more. 1 and 2 and sway and 4. 1 more. Go 1 and 2 and sway and 4. Good. One more thing. You got your inside kick for next move. You gotta kick up, go this way while you're jump. You can do it. This. Okay, great. Let's do this. Go 1 and 2 and sway. And you jump, make that kick, and you face to the other side, and you land back. Look at the camera again. So go and kick, land. That's it. You're doing so great. Let's feel more. Go 1 and 2 and sway. And 4 and 5. You land back. Great. 1 and 2 and sway. And 4 and 5. Perfect. One more thing. You gotta add on 1 and 2 and sway. And 4 and 5. And your hand from the top. You go push down and knee down. This is the whole combination of the Tiger Kung Fu. But this is just only one part. We need to put all different parts together. You can get this done today. Follow me with 师傅 JJ. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Yeah. That's so good jump. And you have able to really jump and twist, right? Jump and twist. Good. And go jump and twist. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all you need to training. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last one. 1, 2, 3. Jump and that's how we can support you to do the tornado kick. Guys, one more workout. We're gonna go to the full form, the full tutorial of your Kung Fu style. Right? Gotta go. 1 and 2. Wait. Use your power by your heel and your hip. Push and push. Okay. For power. Great. Let's do this. Go. 1 and 2 and twist this way and sway. Great. Go. 1 and 2 and sway. Good power. Nice. Go. 1 and 2 and sway. Yeah, don't forget to twist back to have more power. 1 and 2 and sway and 4. Great. 1, 2, sway and 4. The full tutorial of the Tiger Kung style for this lesson. Make your step right and left. And number 3, your hand go up above your shoulder. Inhale and go down with power. Good. And you become a single finger. So you go left and right, and you go up and you go down and push with your power out. Great. And number 11, put hand under and twist up and come back your wrist, and you go pass. One is on the top, one is go straight. Perfect. And both hand back to your wrist, and you make a small jump and tiger hand. Okay, this is perfect. And next move, you go a circle. Right hand to make a circle, and left hand to follow your step, and you go push. Great. And you step your left, and you go boom. The heel kick. You're landing, and you make boom strong push, strong tiger hand, and push your body forward because you have more distance to attack. All right, that is so great. After that, you make a step your left, and you become a face boss hand, and you go boom block, and you step your right hand go down, left hand and go up. Perfect. And then you step back. Same time, your right hand go blocking this way, and you're blocking left. You step back your right, and then you go down with that. Okay, perfect. Then you stand up, you connect with that step, and you go boom kick. After that, remember, you make jump kick, boom, landing this way, and your hand go up and push. Okay, great. And your both hand become fist. Go back to your shoulder, come back front, and left to right, fade together, and hands down and bow. Yes, this is the full tutorial of the whole part, those steps to training part by part, like the basics which workout that all can support your muscle and stronger. How you twist your waist, how you move your heel, that's really help. And you got to training this daily. I guarantee you'll be stronger, faster, with explosive power to fit the style of Tiger Kung Fu. Okay, great work. Let's do one last time. Let's go. Feet together, hands down and down. Alright, my friends, so I have so much fun to teaching you. I hope you enjoyed the video today. So one thing I want to tell you that, so people say, who can control the morning, you can control the life. Once you wake up, give yourself 5 seconds or 10 seconds, get out of the bed, do the first thing you love, and then make you start a good day. And then you can control your life. You have so much more time and to do your thing. Alright, great. Follow your passion and follow your heart to do what you love. And check out my new video, The Dragon Kung Fu Style. I see you next time. Thank you very much. I love you all, and bye bye.